All right, let's talk about those noisy, severe storms that we saw all night here. Our first alert storm teams were spread out across the state for hours.
Yeah, they tracked that storm into the metro just before 3 a.m. Meteorologist Taylor Cox live for us near Enid. And Taylor, that area saw some of the highest winds.
Yeah, we are right south of Enid in Nokomis this morning, where they were hit hard last night. Behind me, this Dollar General did have some debris reported to blow onto this highway right over here. The fire department was called, and I think they got most of that cleaned up, but we're still seeing some trash out here this morning, which I'm sure is a very similar sight across the western portion of the state, where things just kind of blew around last night. Overnight, meteorologist Michael Armstrong was in Sealing when the power went out. Watch this video.
There are really strong winds coming into Sealing right now. Really strong, Damon. Look at the dirt blowing here right near the Jiffy Trip. Oh, power just went out.
And an 80-mile-per-hour wind gust was also reported in Camargo. Very impressive there. This caused many to lose power. Additionally, a 68-mile-per-hour wind gust was recorded in Hinton. In Waurika, Nokomis, I'm meteorologist Taylor Cox, KOCO 5 News.